there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make denim jeans and how to shade them. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, you're going to want to open up your template. You just get it off of Google, and then if you have your jeans template ready, then use that. But if you don't have ready or you don't want to make one, then we do have them available in our Discord server. Our Discord server link is discord.io/allreclothing. It will also be on the screen if you can't spell it. But once you've got any kind of jean template, you're just going to want to add it to your layer. So just going to copy it and paste it. Oh, you have to add another layer before you paste it as well. So click down here, plus layer, and then keep canvas size, and it should be resized. Just make sure that it matches up like that nicely. And everything down here matches. Just like that. And if you've got some extra bits, just kind of cut them off. You're going to want to select them with the rectangular select and press Ctrl X or the cut button at the top. So once you've got your jeans template ready, you're going to want to select over your pants from like the belt bit and just color them in essentially. So I'm going to start from down here, make sure that it's all lined up just like that. And I'm going to select my color, so I'm going to be doing blue, but you can do whatever color you want. So I'm going to select a bluish kind of color just like this. Find one that you're happy with. If you can mess about with this and move the layer with the color on under the background, under your template essentially, and you're just going to mess around until you get a color that you like. So for me, I'm just going to keep messing around with it until I get one that's quite right. So once you've gotten your color, you're going to want to go ahead and erase around. You're going to want to go around and erase the leg parts. I've just spilled a cup of water everywhere, so don't mind me being special.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
But you're going to want to erase around the leg jeans using the eraser. So you're going to want to set the width to 10, hardness to 100, and then just carefully erase it just like that. So I'm going to get on with that, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, and okay guys, and as you can see now, we have our jeans. They're all cut out and everything. So if you want to have them like that, they're just a basic example. You have your jeans done. But if you want to be extra and you want to make them really nice, again, in our Discord server, you can get this denim texture. You just add this to any template for jeans and it makes them look so sexy. So just paste it in on another layer, and then just cut the extra bits or just smooth the template down. It doesn't really matter. And then you're just going to double click it or click on the whatever that is and change blend mode to overlay just so it matches the color. And then there you have it. There is your jeans. Very simple. This tutorial was quite quick, but obviously if you're using your own outline or you're making one yourself, then that's going to take you a bit longer. I can also do a tutorial on that in future on how to make the outline. But just to save time, I decided to make it myself. But if you want to hang around, I'm going to now show you how to make jean rips and how to further shade your jeans. So let's get into that. So you're going to want to add another layer and keep that layer there. Name this layer. Just name it something that you'll remember. It doesn't really matter. And then go back to your original layer and your denim layer, which it should be this one. Yep. And you're just going to want to merge the two layers together. Just like that, and I can see already that I need to move this layer down. So obviously you have to just see how things are going for you, because obviously the legs aren't straight, so I'm just going to fix that now. And then you're just going to erase over it just so quickly. It doesn't have to be perfect, nobody will really notice, but it just looks a lot nicer in my opinion. Just like that, nice and simple.
2 hours later.
Okay, and there we have it. The denim is now fine and perfect and good to go. So now we're going to work on adding rips. You can either get a pre-made rip from our Discord server. Again, the link will be in the bio, in the description. But if you want to make it yourself, you're going to want to go over here, click on lasso select, and you're just going to make kind of shape in your jeans. Once you've got your shape, you're going to want to press Control X, and now you should have your little cutout. Just like that. You can make it any shape, any size, it doesn't really matter. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to make a lighter colour of the blue that you made, and click on line/curve. Change the width up here to 1, and you're going to want to just go around the leg, just outline it, just like this. Nice and simple. But like I said, if you don't want to, if you're not sure how to do this, or you don't think you're really good enough to do this, you can find it in the Discord server. So I'll show you where you can find it shortly on the server, just to make sure that you guys are clear on it. But for now, I'll show you how to make it. Okay, and then we've outlined it now. So now what you're going to want to do is just add lines in between, just like a normal rip would. You have little bits of fabric that are connected, like the strings, just like this. You can do as many or as little as you want. Doesn't really matter too much. But this just adds in the little details. Just like that. And then you're going to want to do it sideways, but not as much sideways. Just in kind of different directions. Alright, and there you guys have it. There is your rip. You can obviously I suggest adding more than one rips if you're making them yourself. So down here I'll just make a smaller one and do the same thing again. You guys should now know what to do. I'm not going to do that. But now that we've done that, I'm going to show you how to add a belt. So we have belts in the Discord server, but I'm going to go and get one from there now. You guys can join and get one, or you can find one for yourself, and I'll be right back. Click on the image on the Discord server and click copy preview, and then come to your canvas, click add layer, and then click Control C, and here you have your belt. So yours might look a bit different, but we're just going to line it up just like this, and then just move it into place, line it up a bit, just like that. Alright, and there you have it. There's your belt. I'm now going to show you guys quickly how to add shoes if you want shoes. So assuming that you already have a template, you're going to want to add a layer and then just drag it so it's over your denim. If you don't have a template, however, I would just suggest kind of selecting it up to about here, and then clicking the paint bucket, and then clicking fill to fill in with white, and you're going to want to just line it up a bit so it looks neat. But I feel like if you don't have a template, then it'll probably look better without. But you can obviously find templates in my Discord server. Again, everything you possibly need is there if you're new to designing. So I'm going to go ahead and get one, and I'll be right back. Alright, and once you have your shoes ready, copied, you'll just want to click Control C on another layer and just move them into place. Nice and simple. And move it so that move the layer up until there's nothing on top of your layer. So like the outline. There we go. And like that, you now have your jeans. They're shaded nicely. Yeah, that's about it really. You have denim on them, a nice belt, some shoes if you wanted them. But that's literally about it. Be sure to like and subscribe if this has helped you. Comment if you want me to do anything else, anything from tutorials. All of my social medias will be in the description, such as my TikTok, my Discord obviously, and my Roblox group if you want to check out some of our clothes. It's also quite good inspiration. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.